Yes, we have made progress on OAI reduction, 50% reduction, and you will see that data. Products go to more than 150 countries. We are proud that 2.2 billion vaccination programs undertaken in this country at a cost of $2, whereas average cost around the world was $25. So $50 billion cost in India of US vaccination, Indian vaccination is $4 billion. That's the kind of difference this country makes. 25,000 processes impacted because of IPA initiatives every year. In some way, webinars, some kind of interaction, McKinsey sessions. And we were just trying to look back last year. Some way, some contribution still around forward. Industry also got into quality is important, innovation is important. Government has committed $3 billion. And I keep on saying in the last 4 years, that will be a great challenge for this industry, and everyone realizes the importance. In Sathya, we were talking innovation. Yes, quality is there, but next benchmark is innovation, and lot we will be having as far as innovation is concerned. And McKinsey is playing a very important role. I request Shirish to take forward.
15. I think this was basically for activating and mobilizing 2015 was the year where we took the part. 2016 to 2020, I think we came with the best practices guidelines, also through the subgroups which are formed from the 6 founding members. We had every year advanced GMP workshops as well as the quality forums, or earlier it was called the India Pharma Forum. Now name is changed to the Global Pharma Quality Summit. Through this we were started sharing the best practices for the improving the quality systems overall. 2021 to 24, these best practices were embedded for the capability, and capability building was done in this page 3. Now, 2025 onwards, we are taking the next steps, basically building the culture of quality and adopting technology at scale, particularly related to the digital technology, continuous manufacturing, new areas where the quality improvement can take place, and we can go to the next level. Next slide, please. As I talked, so far in knowledge development, we have more than 20 plus technical documents, which we call as the best practices or the guidelines were published, which are being used by the people as a golden standard for the making their systems. And this is not just our member companies, but even the Indian pharma industry, because it is open for everybody, is being used for this. So more than 100 members participated in making these best practices, and it has impacted almost 25,000 professionals. We have so far 25 industry-related leading events, which are called as the Global Pharma Summit or Global Pharma Quality Summit, and advanced GMP workshops, along with the webinars which we are conducting regularly. We have monthly webinars for the learning from the inspections with more than 100 plus global leaders. Here the people talk about the inspections happening in their own facility and the points which have come, why they have come, and what needs to be done so that others don't. This is very openly they discuss this, which is rare in the pharma industry. People used to guard their thing, but here openly people talk about it, and that helps the other industry people to get out of this. That's an advantage. We almost always have the regular interactions with the US FDA, India office as well as the US office. Our CEOs almost every year goes to the US FDA office in USA and discuss the current scenario of the pharma industry, what initiatives have been taken, what things have to be done. And also with the India office, our subgroups or our quality leads go regularly and have a meeting with them to give what has been done so far. We almost engaged more than 120 leaders in supporting quality operations, CGMP modules, nitrosamine impurities. We collaborated with the USP, PDA as well as with WHO. We did industrial training of industry, particularly SME sector with WHO and Mysore University of JSS for the GMPs basically. We also did the training of 35 plus teachers in our own units at the different places. We have now ready for more than 100 people, 100 teachers to be trained in our facility, and we are in dialogue with the Pharmacy Council of India for nomination as well as for the getting them involved in this activity. We are awaiting their requirements. We also conducted the benchmarking along with the McKinsey. This was again a confidential type of benchmarking which was done. So it was confidential for each company, it was not open for everybody, but they were getting what other companies are doing and how they are faring versus their own criteria. So it helped them to build up the new, and we could see that there was a improvement in most of the benchmarks which we have done. Earlier only it was restricted to 6 companies, now almost 12 companies are participating in this. With this I request.
So one of the things which I like to, again, the distinctive feature of this conference is that all the companies share the information on the quality work, which perhaps no other industry. We are competing with one another. This is the only sector where people come together and develop the best policy agenda and take it forward. Again, very different. We will look at the last decade of JPQS and as a review. And I'd like to remember he'll be there tomorrow. And we are fortunate tomorrow to have Dr. Vilmani. He is a member of NITI Aayog and playing an important role in industry growth. And both of them will be talking about the role of the industry and what is being done as far as quality standards are concerned. Still, a lot can be done. I realize it. But one of the big things which was done is schedule and implementation. Yes, there are some guidelines which have been issued to make it at the end of this year for companies less than 250 crores. But I will say schedule and implementation is going to be a big initiative as far as this industry is concerned.